Okay, now tell Mommy the story about the ants.
They dump.
If they bite you, you will stomp on them?
Dump on them.
Yeah.
Dump on them.
Why do you think the ants are really big? What would make you think that?
Little tiny.
Yeah, they're a little tiny. They're not big. But what made you think that they were big?
Tiny.
Hmm? What made you think the ants were big?
I'll bite you. Bite you. I'll bite you.
Show me how they bite.
Mason.
How do they bite?
They bite.
Show me.
The ants bite. Mason.
Do they bite like this?
Yes.
Show me.
Yes.
That's how they bite?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
What else are you saying? So what will you do if the ants bite you? What will you do? Don't leave your... Stop. Stop it. Leave it alone. Stop. Mason, stop it. Let's make the video. What will you do if the ants bite you? Show me.
Show me.
Will you stomp on them?
Stomp on them.
Yeah?
Stomp on them.
But Mason, why do ants bite? Why do they bite?
They bite.
But why do they bite? Leave your pants and your diaper alone, please. Why do they bite?
Like this, this, like this, like this, like this, like this,
You're so cute. Leave your diaper alone. Come on, I gotta fix your pants. Stop. Leave it alone. That's enough. Because you're gonna ruin a good diaper for no good reason. Okay, tell me some more about the ants. Tell me more. Did you have a dream about the ants? Where did this story come from?
Get the ants. Get the ants.
Come here. Come here, I want to videotape you. Tell me once more how they bite. Look at the camera. Show me how they bite. Show me.
Ants kill you.
They do? But they're only little tiny bugs. They're not really big. Come over here, babe. Come over here so I can videotape you. Okay, there you go. Show me once more how they bite. Show me how. Is that how they do it?
How they do it?
That's how they bite? You're so cute. You're the cutest kid. You're silly. So tell everybody, say, watch out for the ants. Tell the camera.
For the ants.
Say, watch out.
Watch out.
For the ants.
For the ants.
Because they bite.
Because they bite.
Show them how they bite.
For they bite.
You're so cute.
How they do it.
That's how they do it. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss.
Mwah.
Very good.